Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to take care of this really annoying cable management situation, which is absolutely out of control. What you are seeing right here is an open office. This is how it looks when when I go in my room. It's absolutely horrendous. And today I'm going to fix this problem really simple with a really simple solution, and you are guests and you are invited to see this wonderful transformation. What you are seeing right here is my old Samsung printer, which is going to go right there near the router, and I'm going to hook it up to the internet. It has this option, so I'm not going to need to keep it really close to my computer if I need to print something. And also I'm going to change this mouse keyboard because they are all wired, and I'm going to switch to a wireless solution. Of course the steering wheel is going to go away because I do not have any time to play games anymore, and it's adding a lot of wires to this wire management problem. So let's start our project. I'm going to make some room because I'm going to turn the desk around, and I'm going to install a power socket on the leg of the desk, and you are going to see that this solution is going to resolve the majority of the cable management madness. Right here I'm going to plug everything out of the computer because I'm going to move the PC in another place in order to turn the desk around. The computer itself is very heavy, the monitors are also very heavy. If I'm not going to remove the computer from the top of the desk, I'm going to risk breaking the desk apart. And right here I'm going to plug every cable. Right here I'm going to take it apart. The speakers, I'm not going to use them anymore because one of the monitor has its own speakers, and I'm going to use those in order to save some cables. They are also good quality and it would be a shame not using them. Right here I'm going to take away this mechanical keyboard and this microphone, and I'm going to prepare for the power socket installation. After the installation is going to be finished, I'm not going to use wired mouse and keyboard anymore. I'm going to switch to wireless solutions. I do enjoy better mechanical keyboard over membrane, and I also like wired mouse from Logitech, but this horrendous cable management problem has to come to an end. And now you are going to see the main solution for our cable management problem. I'm going to screw this power socket on the desk leg, and we are going to hide all the cables behind the desk, and this way we are going to create a really clean looking open office. Yeah, so this is everything you need to do. Just screw this power socket on the table leg. You don't need any special tools to do this, just a power drill, it's enough. This is how it is going to look on the desk leg, but as I said before, everything is going to be turned around, so we are not going to see the power socket when you are going to enter the room. Right now it's time for the Logitech steering wheel to go away. I'm not using it anymore. Unfortunately, I do not have enough time to finish my work. Of course, I'm not going to play any games very soon. I have its original box right there in the closet, and I'm going to put it back in the original box. Right now I have to put back my computer on the desk, and we are going to try to shorten the cables. When I buy cables for computers, I always buy a longer one because it's very logic. If you buy longer ones, you can shorten them out, but if you buy short cables, you're not going to be able to make them longer. That is exactly what I'm doing right here with the power cable for the computer. As you can see right now, the power socket is really close to the power supply, and I'm not going to need a very long cable. In fact, I have to shorten the cable using normal wire. I'm not going to use classic zip ties. The classic zip ties are not so flexible. If you put zip ties on the cable, it's going to freeze the cable. You're not going to have the option to make it longer or shorter with the zip tie on it. Next, I'm going to plug all the cables back to the computer, and of course I'm going to try to shorten down the HDMI cables, because of course right now the computer is very close to the monitors. I'm not going to need very long HDMI cables. I also managed to find another HDMI cable, a black one, to change the white HDMI cable you saw in the beginning of the video. It was ruining everything and it was very clear that it has to go away. Right here I'm going to use this USB hub to plug back all the peripherals, and of course I'm going to plug back the Ethernet cable. There is only one thing left to do, and that is to rotate the desk and put it back like it was before we started this cable management troubleshooting, if you wanna call it right, like that. And wow, you are going to see quite a transformation. It is going to be really impressive. So this is the final result. It is absolutely amazing. There's only one cable that from the HDMI monitor to the computer which is going to pop up like that, but there's nothing I can do with that. And of course the USB peripherals are gone. This is what the back of the desk looked like before this project, and this is how it looks right now. So thank you for watching, and please leave me a comment in the section down below if you like the project. And yeah, I hope I'm going to see you back on the channel on the next project. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.